What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 7/8/2024. I'm doing our 2024 Bowman Baseball Hobby and Blaster boxes. So 4 blasters, 1 hobby. Break number 2 filled before break number 1. Guys, break number 1 has 8 spots left. The Mega Bowman has 1 spot left. And the Bowman Blasters has 21 spots left. And we do have other baseball on the site, including Fire, a cheap hobby mixer, and we have a baseball mixer there. So, who's got who in the break? Joe W. has the Diamondbacks, Jerry M. with the Braves, Matt R. with the Orioles. We got Peter C. with the Red Sox, T. with the Cubbies, Lisa T. with the White Sox, James D. T. with the Reds, Terry S. has the Guardians, and Jeremy W. has the Rockies and Tigers. Matthew F. with the Astros, Jerry M. with the Royals, Joe W. with the Angels, Terry S. with the Dodgers. Jeremy W. has the Marlins, Matt R. with the Brewers and the Twins, Jeremy W. with the Mets, James D. T. with the Yankees, and Jeremy W. with the Athletics. Adam Y. has the Phillies, Terry S. has the Pirates and the Padres, Matt R. has the Giants, Matthew T. with the Mariners, Dan B. with the Cardinals, Jeremy W. with the Rays. We got James D.T. with the Rangers, Terry S. with the Blue Jays, and Matt R. has the Nationals. Guys, hits are going to be the exclusive rare green out of Blaster, plus any numbered cards or autos we pull. So, here we go. We'll do the Blasters first, and then we'll save the hobby. And again, another identical of these. Sitting on the site right now. Appreciate you guys filling it up. Guys, with the holiday and everything, I apologize if the 2 breaks that happened here didn't get sent out yet. So everything this week, one big giant package to you guys. Coming out. Between having the kids and people going out of town that usually help me, and I apologize. I am getting a couple more hands on deck soon. Dead & Company this week? Nice. I've never seen Dead & Company. I've seen Further. Alright, so there's our blasters. I just feel like this is way off. Like I'm in outer space here, opening this stuff up. Okay. Looks like Mega Box is now sold out. That'll come up after Elite. Because Elite was sold out, so I gotta get that football broken. Guys, let me ask you this before I just rip it for myself. That pure football, I need to try to recoup whatever I can out of it. If I said to you, like, next Tuesday, that pure football is going to break no matter what, and I'll buy the rest of the spots, like, I'll eat the rest of the spots, would you guys pick up spots in that, or do you have no interest in it? Because then I'll just rip it myself anyway. Because I need to get the cards out, and I need to get the money, some money recouped out of that product. And you guys tell me, you want to break all of this tonight? Do you want me to save some for tomorrow night? I don't care. Can we get an auto out of one of these 4? Nice. Fire, fire the mountain, long distance runner. All right, here we go. Nope. The wrong program. Okay. What do we think? Right about there. Lower the camera down a little. I'll do what I can until my back says no mas. All right, here we go. We got Jose Altuve starting it off. And my hand's already going down. Chenul. Nolan Chenul. Again, everything ships like always. There's a Paul Scanis. There we go. Not bad at all right there. Going to Pittsburgh. And then Pirates are... What do you got? Coach T there. Terry S. getting that one. Let me just take these out here. Easier to grab, easier to move forward. Guys, I just listed those personal packs I made of, they're all 10s and they're all pretty good. You're definitely going to get close to your money on the majority of those 15 packs, if not more, with that purchase. There are some big cards in there. Check out that checklist. I only have 15 of them to make. But they are there. Could rip them as personals tonight or tomorrow for you. There's Jerstad rookie. All right, our next green coming up here. Ellie De La Cruz showing up. And Gabriel Gonzalez for Seattle. Seattle is Matthew T. getting that one. And again, everything's going to ship. Okay. There's a green paper to $3.99 of Luis Angel Acuna. Nice one there. $3.32 out of $3.99. Luis Angel Acuna. And the Mets are... Who are the Mets? They're a team from New York. Jeremy W. All right, a green paper showing up. Let's move this out of the way. I really measured this wrong when I bought this new desk. How about an auto? From Pokemon, Raikou. Raikou Nishida. Bowman first for the White Sox. Lisa T in the house. Lisa, if you watch this video, I did respond to your email. I don't know if it went to spam or not. So we did get a chrome auto there. Not even a paper auto. But we'll take it out of 4 random boxes here. All right, let me stack these. And go to the next. Jason Dominguez. And how about a green paper of Luis Matos? I like that one. Luis Matos to 99. Green paper for those Giants. Matt R. So some nice boxes of Blaster. Some nice boxes of Blaster. Some nice Blaster boxes here. Getting color. So that was what? Lime green paper and regular green paper? Or electric green? Whatever they call it. Here comes our green here. It is Abimelech Ortiz for Texas. Very nice. James DT getting that one. James DT getting that one for Texas. All right. This will be the first hobby Bowman I've opened. I've opened nothing. Manuel Tejada of the hobby version. Again. How about another auto, guys? 4 boxes, 2 autos. Isaiah Drake, Bowman first auto for the Braves. Jerry M. What a bad way to start it off here. So 2 first autos. Jerstad. These are swimmers over here. Let me put them away before they fall on me. Keep it rolling. What do we got here? Filippo Di Turi for the Brew Crew. All right, who's got those Brewers? Matt R. Okay. Marco Luciano. Alright, what do we got? We got a shimmer coming. Green shimmer. Are you kidding me? 3 boxes of blasters? Esmil Valencia, green shimmer. Bowman first out of the blasters. Houston, Matthew F. Can I just say there's 8 left in this other Bowman? This is ridiculous. So talk about, we basically outnumbered a jumbo box with 4 blasters and a hobby. And got the green exclusives. Very nice. All right. Maybe it'll be a good night. Even though I bent down to pick something up and my back went out. Talk about old. I was actually looking because I have... I've been holding Helio Ramos cards since 2017. And I got 3 of his Bowman first autos graded. 9.5 BGS, and I was looking for them. All right, the hobby box now. 1 auto, maybe a lot of color, hopefully. Maybe a superfractor. Why not? The way this is running. Guys, and all the blasters in both the blaster box and the Bowman, you know, this thing, they're all coming out of the same case, so maybe we have a hot case. Because if we pull 3 autos out of the same blasters of a case... I know, so that's what my whole thing was. I was sending it out to a couple people I know and saying, like, what would you do here? Do we hold it? Is this just going to be like a flash in the pan? Or do you hold it and, you know, wait and see, and then next year he takes off even more, or he, you know, becomes even hotter? I think I got to hold. There's part of a giant fan in me, which I am, that's like sitting there saying, well, you got to hold it. You held it for 7 years. I know, sell, sell, sell. Exactly. But I've already held it for 7 years, so what's another 2? But I know, he's hot right now. Let's get a color auto here. All right, what stack is the auto in, the left or the right? I've got 3. I've got a blue shimmer to 70 or to 150. I have a purple to 250, and I have a gold shimmer to 50. They're all BGS 95s with 10s in the grade. I looked at what the comp prices are. I mean, they're not bad. I think the gold goes for around $500. Not great either, but I mean, he's in San Francisco. If he was in New York, totally different. For that matter, if he's in Philadelphia, totally different. All right, let's see what we got going here. You said the left, so I'm going with the right. There's a sparkle, spackle, speckle, sparkle coming. And that's our auto. Carlos Silva for the Twins. Very nice. Speckle auto to $2.99. Maybe we'll get an extra. Minnesota is Matt R. I might put the 250 up. That's exactly what I was thinking, Matt. Hold the gold, hold the blue. Put the 250 up as a buy it now and see what happens. All right. Now, we have a fuchsia coming, or electric pink, or there's a Max Clark Gladiators. All right, here we go. Tamar Johnson to 199. Pittsburgh again, Terry S. Hey, Jim, what's going on? So a little fuchsia action there, or whatever they're calling it this time around. All right. We got a James Wood, which looks like the exclusive green, whatever. It looks like the exclusive green from the Blasters. Maybe not so exclusive. All right, nothing there. Looks like maybe sky blue paper. Yeah, it is. Brooks Brannon to $4.99 for the Red Sox. Peter C. getting that one. Thanks, Joe. That's what they all say. Not a bad problem to have. All right. Again, everything ships like always. That and that. All right, let's see what we got over here. Let's find more color. At least one more color. Rising Infernos of Xavier Isaac. Jordan Lawler. All right, we got something coming. We got the Carlos Silva Sparkle Spackle Speckle Sparkle. So to go with the auto Sparkle, Spackle, Speckle, Sparkle, we get the insert Sparkle, Speckle, Spackle, Sparkle for Matt R. Just past the blue, the stack before this one. All right, let me see. These are all the cards. Oh yeah, I did. Is that it right there? There it is. Spencer Jones. Well, if you're going to pass a blue, might as well get a color match and a prospect that, well, at least everybody in this area is looking for. James DT, because he plays right here. But Spencer Jones to 150. Yankees. All right. And we got this little stack left. Got another one of those greens. Like one per box. Or two in this one. Cole Young, Seattle. Cole Young, Seattle. And the Mariners is Matthew T. Jeepers. Hold on 1 second here. All right. Look at that dent in that card. Holy cow. Enrique Jimenez Chrome had like it got hit with a BB gun. Okay, and that'll do it. Not bad at all, guys. We got another break set up just like this. Sitting on the site, 8 left. Same setup, 4 blasters, 1 hobby box. Same bat prices, same bat channel. I got cards moving all over here on me. There we go. Hello. All right, guys. Thanks a lot.